Okay, let's talk about AI. For small and medium-sized businesses, it's this fascinating paradox. On one hand, you have this incredible technology that promises to completely change the game. But on the other, for so many people, it just feels like this impossibly high wall to climb. So today, we're going to break down that paradox.
Right, so this is what it all boils down to. The promise of AI is huge, right? It's a tool that can make your business smarter, faster, way more competitive. But then there's the reality for most small business owners, which is just this daunting wall of crazy high costs and confusing tech. And that gap between the potential and the practice, that's what we're digging into.
So before we get into the challenges, let's focus on the good stuff. Let's look at the destination. What makes AI so compelling in the first place? Why is this conversation even so important for a business like yours?
Look, AI isn't just some futuristic buzzword. It offers real, tangible benefits that can totally change how you operate. We're talking about driving actual efficiency in your operations, which, of course, leads directly to cutting costs. It can make jobs safer for your workers, help you run a more sustainable business, and, this is the big one, give you a serious competitive edge.
Okay, so let's move away from the abstract ideas and get into the concrete. How is this stuff actually being used right now in some pretty high-stakes industries?
Imagine for a second that you could predict and prevent a workplace accident before it even happens. In really high-risk fields like oil and gas or construction, this isn't science fiction anymore. It's an emerging reality, and it's all powered by AI. This is just a perfect example of what AI can do. See, the goal isn't about replacing people, it's about protecting them. That smart helmet acts like a super vigilant coworker, constantly monitoring for invisible dangers and sending out life-saving alerts in real time. So, safety is huge. But beyond that, AI is an incredibly powerful tool for just streamlining your day-to-day operations, making your business leaner and a whole lot more efficient. Just think about all the hours your team spends on those routine, repetitive tasks. AI can automate them, freeing up your people to do more important, strategic work. It can untangle complex supply chains, it can predict when a critical piece of machinery needs maintenance before it breaks down, and it can even optimize your delivery routes to save fuel and time. This is where the cost savings really start to pile up. And this brings us right back to the other side of that paradox. With all these incredible benefits just sitting there on the table, what is stopping small and medium-sized businesses from jumping on board? Now get ready for this, because this number is pretty stark. While big companies are adopting AI at a decent clip, around 30%, for businesses with 100 or fewer employees, that number just plummets. It drops to just 4%. Let that sink in for a moment. 4%. This shows a massive and frankly growing divide between the AI haves and the AI have-nots. That incredibly low adoption rate? It's not an accident. Small and medium businesses are running up against a wall of very real, very significant barriers that can make getting started feel completely overwhelming. The first and honestly often the biggest hurdle is just a lack of in-house AI know-how. A lot of business owners get the idea of AI, but they struggle to see how it could apply to their specific business. They just don't have the technical expertise on staff to figure out what to do. Next up, the elephant in the room: money. There's this perception, and let's be honest, often the reality, that AI is expensive. From the software to hiring people who know what they're doing, the cost can make it feel like a luxury that's only for the big corporations with super deep pockets. And finally, you've got the human element. Even if you have the right tech and the budget, you can still face resistance from inside your own company. Your employees might be skeptical, they might worry about their jobs, or they might just be resistant to changing the way they've done things for years. These challenges aren't just a random list of problems. Researchers actually use a model to understand them. It's called the Technology, Organization, Environment Framework. So let's break that down real quick. Technology is about the AI tools themselves. Are they even available or easy to use? Organization is about your company. That's where things like lack of know-how and resistance to change fit in. And environment covers everything outside, like high costs or what your competitors are doing. Seeing how the barriers fit into these three buckets is the first step to tackling them. So how in the world do you start to climb this wall? Well, the good news is you don't have to do it all at once. There's actually a clear strategic path for small businesses to start bridging this AI divide. You do not need to transform your entire business overnight. The key is to start small. First, identify one clear business goal. What's one specific problem you want to solve? Second, launch a small, manageable pilot project, just to test the waters. Third, and this is a big one,
focus on training your existing team to build those skills in-house. And finally, measure the impact and then tweak and optimize from there.
This quote right here, it absolutely nails the strategy. You don't have to go it alone. It's totally natural to feel like investing is a big risk when you're not sure what's going to work. And that's where getting outside help, from government programs or university partnerships, can make all the difference. It lets you explore the possibilities without betting the farm, in a low-risk, expert-guided way.
So we've seen there's a path forward. But what's the cost of doing nothing? What happens if you decide that wall is just too high to even try to climb?
This is the key. In today's market, the real risk isn't in adoption, it's in inaction. As your competitors start using AI to get smarter and more efficient, the real danger is just being left in the dust.
Which leaves us with a final thought. For small and medium-sized businesses, adopting AI really isn't a question of if anymore, it's when and how. That wall of barriers is real, for sure, but it is not insurmountable. So the real question is, what's the first small, manageable step your business can take to start the climb?